Good morning, students. Welcome to the virtual classes provided by DAV Thermal. In previous lecture, we have finished practice work. I hope all of you understood all worksheet. Today we will start letter writing. You know that there are two types of letter, formal and informal. See the introduction. In this world of multimedia, although people prefer to communicate through phones, fax, email, etc., yet the importance of letters cannot be undermined. In fact, letters are the best mean of communicate, most intimate through letters, thoughts, feeling. Letters may be classified into two kinds. Informal letter means the letters written to relatives, friends, etc. Formal letter means applications, letter to editor, to business house, firms, authorities, etc. So before writing a letter, things to remember. We have to keep in mind few points. The first one, for writing personal or informal letter, use an informal tone. Use natural style of writing. Your language should be simple, easy and clear. Follow the correct format. Second thing is, sorry, for writing formal letter, use impersonal yet pleasing note. Be straightforward and to the point. Avoid using intimate greeting. Be polite and formal. Explain your point or issue with concrete details. In case of a letter to the editor, don't request the editor to help you to solve the problem. He can only have your views published to generate public awareness. Use proper layout. So basic framework of a letter. First of all, the sender address. It includes house, flat, shop name, number, name of the building, colony, sector, name of the town, city, etc. Sender address is written at the top of the left hand corner of the letter as shown in the layout. Now the date is written below the sender's address. The date should be like that, 24 July 2000 or July 24, 2000. Now recipient's address to be written in a formal letter only. Name, destination and complete address of the receiver is written below the date line. Now subject line. To be written in formal letters only. Subject line is written just below the recipient address. It gives the recipient a first-hand information as to what the letter is all about. Then salutation, to whom you are addressing this letter. For a friend, dear Anushka, like that. And for a family member, relative, dearest mom, mother, etc., dear papa, father, etc., dear uncle, auntie, dear brother, sister, etc. Or if the any stranger letter is there, so dear Mr. Goyal, dear Dr. Rishi, my dear sir and madam, like that. For professional person, you have to respect it, sir, dear sir or madam, etc. The body of the letter is, it contain all the information, views, thoughts, etc. that the sender wants to convey to receiver. Complimentary clause. The ending of a letter should be polite, like for a friend. If you are writing a letter to your friend, so you have to write down in the end, yours sincerely. Or if a family member is there, then you write down in the end, your affectionately. Or if you are writing a letter to any authorities, you have to write down yours faithfully or yours truly. If any stranger is there, so you are truly. Or if principal and teacher is there, so you have to write down yours obediently. So here is one example of informal letter. So you are Arun Joshi. You along with your classmate visited an old age home. They greeted you with a smile, but when you talk to them, you realize how lonely and sad they are. You decided to share your experience with your childhood friend Ritesh. So write a letter describing that, what you saw and how you felt, what you resolved to do. So I hope all of you clear the difference between informal and formal letter. Now see the answer. Here are some hints are there, clues are there. With the help of these clues, you have to write down this letter. Some clues are there. Visited old age home, greeted by elderly, saw their suffering and loneliness, thoughts about their selfish children. Elderly needs someone to share their feelings. So first of all, the sender address. So on the left side, you have to write down the sender address, 30 Ramnagar, New Delhi, then date 12th November 2000, then salutation, dear Ritesh. Then content or body of the letter. According to the hints, you have to write down the content like that. The last weekend, I, along with my classmates, visited an old age home. The elderly greeted us with a welcoming smile and talked to us for long. Their suffering and loneliness were quite visible in their words. We realize how they miss their family. Some selfish youngsters who were raised so generously by their elders have left them here on their own. Some selfish people have forgotten the facts that their parents have sacrificed their life for their betterment future. They just want someone of their own to share their feelings and loneliness. I resolve to spare some time and money for your senior citizens to make them cheerful. In the end, you will write on your affectionately, because this is the informal letter, or in the end name of the sender or name of the writer. Here is in the question given, it is you are Arun Joshi, so you write down Arun Joshi. I hope all of you clear the layout of informal letter. Now we will discuss one formal letter. Sorry. Your family had gone to attend a wedding for 2 days. When you returned home, you found that the thieves had broken into your house and had stolen valuable things including jewelry, electronic goods, expensive clothes, etc. So write a letter to in charge police station reporting about the theft and requesting the police authorities to catch the culprits. You know the format of formal letter also. Here the slightly differences there, and here some clues are there. With the help of clue you have to write down this letter. Here is a introduce yourself, report the matter, mention the date and how much time of accident, time of incident, mention the date also, give a brief detail of the things stolen and their value also, a request to register the case. So first of all, the sender address. In the both way you have to write down the sender address, then date, then receiver address. Here we in the previous letter we have written to the friend's name, but here is the to whom we are sending this letter, the in charge, City Police Station, Gwalior. Then we have to write down the subject. Subject in the informal letter there is no need to write down subject, but in formal letter we have to write down the subject also. Reporting burglary. Salutation. In the previous letter we have written dear friend whatever the thing, but here is the official letter is there, so we have to write down only son. I would like to draw your attention to the act of burglary that took place in my house on the intervening night of 5th and 6th January. Actually, our family had gone to attend a wedding at Bhopal for 2 days. When we returned home in the afternoon today, we found that the thieves had broken into our house and had stolen valuable things, including jewelry, electronic goods, and expensive clothes. According to a rough estimate, the total goods stolen worth rupees 2 lakh. So you are requested to visit the place of crime with your investigating team and register the case. I hope that your team will soon catch the culprits and retrieve the stolen goods. Thanking you. And the closing is that, like that in previous letter you have written your affectionately or your friendly, but here you will write on yours faithfully. And who is writing this letter? Rajat Kumar. So you have to write on in the end letter who is giving this, writing this letter, the name of the person. I hope all of you clear the formal and informal letter. I am giving you here as a homework one formal letter and informal letter. You have to try to solve. Thank you. Have a nice day.